That's one thing, to understand the material. The degree is in the training and education is essential, but really knowing the business is what's going to define someone that does a good job from someone who doesn't. You have to really just understand the work itself. There's a shortage of people that really know what they're doing. I'm Jennifer Smith, business owner of J. Smith Enterprises. My father and I own and operate 12 McDonald's restaurants here in southeastern Virginia. We're in our corporate office. We've been here for about 23 years. This office does everything to make sure that the restaurants can function. It does all of the general and administrative work that's required. So payroll, bookkeeping, hiring, orientations, all that is housed here. And so when we take our employees through orientation, we try to introduce them to those concepts of the customer being right, the customer being a guest. If you're working for McDonald's, you get to learn leadership, teamwork. For me, as a business owner, servant leadership is a core quality for all of our employees, in particular our management and our office staff. We are here primarily for the purpose of taking care of other people. At the restaurant, it's taking care of our customers. Here in the corporate office, it's taking care of the employees and of each other. You know, the essence of an ideal candidate is someone, I think, who is of good character, fundamentally, and who understands that we are in the hospitality business and we're here to serve. Of course, they need to understand restaurant operations, or if they're working on the administrative side, the dollars and cents of the business. But fundamentally, they have to be a good person. They have to care about people. I have a lot of respect for people, frankly, that can work and pursue their studies at the same time. And all those skill sets, those are the things that are going to make them endure and be successful over time. That's essential in this day and age, as competitive as it is out here. Success is there for anyone, for those that are willing to put the work in. My first job was at McDonald's as a teenager. I had no idea that I would own McDonald's one day. And I don't feel like I'm any different from anyone else. I just worked harder, was more committed to the work and to my goals. Anyone can do it.